class library page. Chandler Library is on my desktop, but for everyone it's under Chandler Resources, up here Chandler Library. There's a link here to the BrainPOP videos, as well as the username and password that you need to log on. This is a paid service. We currently only pay for 3 simultaneous users on this service. We're experimenting with it. That means that 3 teachers could use it at the same time, 3 students could use it at the same time, but after that we're going to be blocked from the site. The 4th user would not be allowed to log on at this time. Once you do come to BrainPOP, you have to log in with that information there, which was on that page. Chandler 2011 is the username. Chandler is the password. Once you're logged in, you can spend a lot of time experimenting with these different videos. The BrainPOP videos are targeted generally with a 4th to 6th grader in mind. They are short, animated examples of a variety of subject matter. For example, let's go into science here, and I'll do matter and chemistry, just to pick one to give you an idea of where the type of videos we're looking at. Here's atoms. Once you come into a topic, there is a video that will load. At the bottom of every video there's also a quiz. Activities, which usually involve defining terms, labeling vocab, things of that sort. And the science ones, there's also an experiment tab, a question and answer tab. Let me give you a feel for the movie first here.
Dear Tim and Moby, what in the world are atoms? From Chris. What in the world isn't an atom? Air, water, pants, leaves, robots, and humans are all made up of atoms. This is the periodic table of elements, and when you take chemistry, it becomes your best friend. This chart shows and predicts every known element in the universe: oxygen, iron, lead, and so on. These elements are all made of atoms. Around 2004...
Alright, so I'll stop it there. Obviously there's videos on a variety of topics, so you will have to spend some time combing through to see what's useful to your curriculum. But to give you an idea, at the bottom here there is a quiz associated with each one. This might be useful as a wrap-up activity with the class. You can go through a graded quiz and let the class vote on what they think the answer is. You can also, down here on quiz, oops, let me back that up, sorry. But next to quiz, there the activities I was mentioning. On this particular item, it has you define some of the figures from the video. I've seen math ones where they define vocab terms, same with English. Social studies have you find different places on the map. There's a lot of different content here. Here's a timeline. Depends on the subject matter to see what links you're going to get at the bottom of the page. They also give you some related topics over here for other videos you can link to. When you go to that other video, you'll see the same tabs at the bottom. This quiz is related to this particular video, which is on isotopes this time. Again, you still have the activities, still have the question and answer. There's no timeline this time. There's an experiment, so on and so forth. There's also on the left-hand side this BrainPOP Educators tab, which will take you to a separate website where it has different lesson plans depending on the grade level. I found these to be semi-useful, but they are there, so you're aware of it. You do have to sign in, but then they'll give you here lesson plans that other educators have come up with using BrainPOP resources. There is also BrainPOP Junior here, brainpopjunior.com. I'll also put the link there on the library page. This is designed for K-3 learners. You do need to log in with the same username and password. I'm already logged in, so it says log out. But you'll see very similar videos here, but they're designed for younger kids.
Verbs. Word.
Here's some words. Word video.
Verbs.
But you're going to get the same format. You're going to get the video, and you're going to get different activities at the bottom, but these are more targeted towards the younger set. Again, to do them with the group as a class, might work well. Here's an activity for the kids to do together. So on and so forth. Quizzes as well.
Easy
down
quiz.
Here. So I encourage you to explore these two websites to see if there's anything relevant for your particular curriculum. If there's any video you would like me to take off the website that you would like to have access to for the whole class to watch, you can let me know. There's also BrainPOP in Spanish over here. ESP in front of BrainPOP will bring you here. I'll put this link also on the first class library page. This is the same content as over here in our English BrainPOP, which is again targeted towards more the 4th to 6th grade set, but it's all the videos in Spanish. So some of the grammar and the lessons over here are useful for instruction in Spanish, but otherwise it is a completely Spanish video, so it might be difficult for some Spanish speakers that are young to understand it. So this may be more useful for 7th and 8th grade Spanish speakers to listen to a video in Spanish, but it's the same activities, quizzes in Spanish. So please, if you're interested in this site, check it out. Let me know if you are interested in expanding our subscription to this site for your class. We would have to expand it to allow every kid to use it on a laptop. But right now we just want to see if there is any interest in the site. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.